everyone. Welcome to Code Club. Today we are going to play a short game and then complete an activity related to our topic. Let's start with a question. What is coding? Well, simply put, coding is a set of instructions. These instructions tell something what to do or how to carry out an action or a series of actions to get a result. For example, if we want to tell a computer how to do something, we use code to tell it. Sometimes a picture, a letter, or a number can represent something else when you're coding. We're going to play a game called Coders and Robots, which shows us how this works. I'd like to give a special thanks to the Pearl River Public Library's Codergarten program for this game and materials. In your Grab and Go folder, you should have a few things. For this game, we will use the control panel and the instruction cards that go with it. For now, you don't need to do anything because we will play the game on the screen. If you want to play the game later, you'll need to cut out the cards. There are a few buttons on our control panel. Let's take a look. We have the Start button, the Stop button, a grid with 4 boxes where our instruction cards will go. We also have a Repeat button and 2 buttons with animals on them, a tortoise, which represents slow, and a hare, which represents fast. These are our speed buttons. I'm going to start. I am going to be the coder and you are going to be the robots. I'm going to give you a set of instructions and you will have to do each action in order. You'll begin when I hit the start button and end when I hit the stop button. So let's get started. We'll try one round to start. Here is your first board. The directions are wiggle, clap, and we'll go at a medium speed, not fast or slow yet. Let's give it a try. Remember, you start when I show you the start button and you end when you see the stop button. Ready? Start. Wiggle, clap, stop. Great job, everyone. So let's try it again, but this time we're going to repeat the pattern once. You'll see the repeat button pop up on the screen, and that's when you'll start again from the beginning. Ready? Start. Wiggle, clap, repeat, wiggle, clap, stop. Great! Did you find anything tricky about that? If you did, feel free to repeat the last section a few times until you are comfortable. For our next round, we're going to change up the directions. First, we'll do a practice round at medium speed, and then we'll change it up for the next one. Here is your next board. The directions are jump, wiggle, jump, clap. Let's give it a try. Start. Jump, wiggle, jump, clap, stop. Okay, this time we are going to repeat once and slow down after the repeat. Let's give it a try. Start. Jump, wiggle, jump, clap, repeat. Slow down. Jump, wiggle, jump, clap, stop. How was that? Feel free to repeat that round before we move on. Let's take a look at our third and final board. We're going to change up the directions again. This time, they are clap, beep, jump, jump. Let's try one practice round. Start. Clap, beep, jump, stop. Okay, this time we are going to repeat the directions 3 times. We're going to try a different speed each time around, medium, fast, and then slow. Let's give it a try. Start. Clap, beep, jump, repeat, speed up, clap, beep, jump, Repeat. Slow down. Clap, beep, jump, jump, stop. I hope you had fun playing the game. Remember, coding is a set of instructions. The more details you add, like the number of repetitions and the speed, help your robot to do a better job. For the second half of our program, we are going to do a hands-on activity. You are going to be the coder, and you will have to help your robot navigate through the maze by giving it a set of instructions. You should have 2 mazes and an instruction sheet in addition to some blue and orange paper circles. Your goal is to get your robot from the start of the maze, by the green arrow, to the end of the maze, by the red arrow, using the following words: start, end, straight, turn left, and turn right. Feel free to use the abbreviations if you want to. Write out all of the instructions and then have someone else test them out to see if your robot makes it to the end. For the first maze, I gave you a few of the first steps on the sheet to get you started. Watch out though, there is a typo. Because the directions for turning right and turning left can be confusing, it helps if you add an arrow on your paper circle and use that as an aid to figure out your directions. For the second maze, you'll be on your own. Good luck! Altogether, you should have a set of 46 instructions for the first maze. When you're all done, have someone check and see if they can use your directions to navigate through the maze. Thanks for joining us today for Code Club. Be sure to check out all of the other great programs we have going on in March and April. See you next time.